Hi, here is a news for you for Monstack workshop project. I have uploaded the final completed source code to my GitHub repository, link given to the description box. Some of you demanding source code, that's why I uploaded the code. I continuously change code when needed. That's why I delayed to upload the source code. Now I think it's completed and I will not change the code. But every time all the video with the code will not synchronize. But final project code will be the same. So if a video's code not matched with source code, then later it will match. I developed the videos step by step. That's why. Here is my repository github.com/billcholon/oshop. Here backend and client folder. Okay. Now we can download the source code and play with it. Okay.